Hello everyone, welcome to a new video at Kids Tech. So today we are going to finish the starting screen by adding the fonts onto all the words. So for this first word, I already did the font. I downloaded a font from the Unity Asset Store and put it into a folder called Fonts that I created. So then I go into the Start object under the Start button under the buttons, and then you come over here to where it says font. You press right there and it shows all the fonts you have onto this project. Click on the one you want and then it saves it, and then the font might make it a little bigger, so you might have to size it down a little bit like I'm doing right now. Perfect. Center that a little bit. Okay. I also did this for the settings one, so I'm also going to size that down a little bit. And then you go to the instructions object and you go down and do the same thing. Actually, that's a little stretched out. Okay, now we got all the. Oh, wait, I forgot the title. Can't forget the title. Turn on the font. See how it looks. Looks good. I might need to move this a little bit. I'm going. And there we go. Looks amazing. I think so. I don't know what you guys think, but I think it looks pretty good. I'll see you in the next one. In the next video, we will talk about making the settings button work. I'll also talk about making the instructions button work too. So we're actually going to get some coding on in the next episode. So see you later. Bye.